Hey, in this video, I'm going to go over the Manage Super User screen with you. So on the left-hand side, 3 from the top, please click on Manage Super User. Now you know you haven't added one yet, so go ahead and click OK. And the super user is really like a manager. And you're going to need this ID for logging into your cook screen from now on. And you're going to need to enter the password, your login password, here as well to enter this ID. So one of the things I like to do to make it easy for myself is I usually set my super user ID and my password and my geolocation ID as the same number, and I'm going to show you why that's beneficial in just a minute. So first I'm going to go ahead and enter my user ID. And then I'm going to do a long press with my finger on the ID on my tablet itself, and it's going to start to highlight it, and then I'm going to select all, and then I'm just going to copy it because I chose the same super user ID as my password. And I'm just going to paste this in with a long press and a paste, and then click Add Manager. So now you can see now that the manager has been added, or the super user, successfully. Now, if you go back to the Manage Super User screen here for just a second, if for some reason in the future you ever need to update your password for the app, you can do that right here. You can also update that super user ID if you ever want to change it. And then there is also an option to enter in a separate password. And this is an override password that you can use later when your employees are trying to log into the app. If they forget their password and you need to override them, this is kind of like a master password that you can use that's different than all of these, just in case somebody ever sees it. It's different, and it can be changed separately from all the other passwords. So anyway, I know there are a lot of passwords, but we have a lot to protect here, and that's the purpose of it. If you have any questions, obviously you can always contact us through the website or through the support icon right here and ask us a question. Now, what do you do with this super user login? This is used now to access your cooking screens. And you do that either through the super user login here, or you can also do it if we log out without being in the dashboard at all by going to the super user login. And this is why I said I like to just make the location pin code, my super user ID, and my password all the same, because I still have that paste saved that I just did a second ago. And I'm going to long press, and I'm going to go paste, long press, paste, long press, paste, and then I'm going to click Remember Me so I don't need to do this again. And I'm going to click Login. Now we haven't set up any employees yet, so we're just going to go ahead and skip past this and go right here. And this is now how you can get back to the cooking screens that you had from your demo. And you can go ahead and choose any of them, and the functionality is exactly the same as in the demo video that you viewed earlier to get to this point in the setup. So some of the other things in this, what we call the super user dashboard, you can log into the facilitator screen, which we'll go over in another video. And then there's also some options when you start using your employee tracking for employee viewing to see who's working, to see information about the employees themselves, and to see statistics about the employees' performance for working across a date range. So none of that's set up yet, but we will definitely show you that in future videos. For now, we're going to go ahead and log out, and go ahead and click Super User Log Out, and this will bring us back to the main login screen. And if we want to go back to the dashboard, we could just log in again. So that's going to go ahead and complete the video for managing the super user, understanding the super user login and access to the cooking screens. And one last little tip: if for some reason you don't remember what your geocode was for logging in to this right here, this location pin code, it's right here in your profile location pin code. So good luck with everything, and have fun using Minute24.